This short shares 3 real-world rituals that professionals use to tame time and banish daily chaos. First, they implement a 15-minute morning planning sprint, listing only 3 must-do tasks and 1 buffer. Second, they use a color-coded calendar and a weekly review with a peer to keep priorities aligned. Third, interviews reveal that balancing work and life hinges on strict boundaries and a ritual wind down to reset. Together, these stories show practical scheduling, sharp prioritization, and honest boundaries, making busy days more humane.